Nawasay mong buhok ya? Uy, tuwarap.
Di anak kay lapok priya.
Taga ka mo kay dangog.
Basahin ito.
Kakis.
George! George! Hoy, George! Ang takaw, George, ang bilis. Hindi tali o tagpon ni tanong ni Mahuro tag jambo. Bupangot ha.
Dati nabasa ng buhok.
Ah, grabe ni abot dire.
Nabasa. Nabasa ito jambo. Bis aman di ay ka.
Nalagsikan siguro.
Ah, hindi ra ba nalagsikan.
Nabasa ko guna ni Priya. Meow, meow, nabasa ang lubog. Ay, pag-inisan to, nabasa na naman ka. Nabasa na naman Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Hindi ko nagsikikin.
Hindi mo nakain ng mineral at portahan.
Ansay nga gana. Sila to.
Meow, 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 meow.
Anong buwan naman ni please?
Siling. Agod na nabasa.
Ay anak kin, Audin.
Angel sa tingan, Angel.
Wa door.
Party.
Crack.
Ato grab day.
Party
Party grab.
crack.
Lala sige, patay ka sa antas imo maro. Tuk.
Man, pag-tik
Wala, nakaduan kay sa ka-excited.
wala, nang nagsikat ko. Asa ba ko niya? Asa na iwan?
Hoy.
Duha na nakabuok.
Dapok anha ni mo gibutang. Da ada kay tugnaw.
Basag yung bot.
Ay, ayaw.
Sa tubig.
Angel sa baka, Angel.
You can touch the flowers. I sing for hours. Hello, how are you, Muhammad Ali? I'm good.
Sabi naman.
See? Hey, where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines, guys. I'm from Philippines, and this is our house, a simple house.
We were right back down.
Okay, fine. Hello, Chill Pama. Me too. Ah, so you're also in the. I am from Dubai. Yeah. So by the way, I work from Kuwait 2 years. Yeah. I work from Kuwait before, guys. 2 years. Hi. Now is the time I have is supposed to lies. Is everything say a. Yeah, here's my sister. My sister is cooking. And this one is my father. Yeah. See my father? Yeah, that's my father, guys. This one also is my sister. Yeah, we are good. You know, guys, if we have heavy rain, our kitchen is too much this problem. Too much hole. Too much hole, guys. This is my siblings.
Hi.
sister's cooking is vegetables, squash. And she still no started cooking yet. This one she will cook. This squash, vegetable. It's a vegetable, guys. Yeah. Hi, Axel Fox 23 vlog. Nothing special, guys. You know, vegetables is too much cheap. Yeah, we can afford vegetables. Only vegetables. Your home new model. Your home new model kono air condition nice. Yeah, our house nice. Too much air everywhere. Everywhere too much air, guys. Yeah, but if we have heavy rain here, you see this too much hole. The rain will come inside our kitchen and too much water here. This too much water. Yeah, we cannot afford buy rooftop. Yes, our home is just like this. Yeah, not too much nice. Now is in the time too much I realize everything is ever say ever still never is silent but a little baby.
Wala, bisod. Lagi sabay-sabay na. Kana yung mga jutan. Wala, kana. Dapat. Ay, yata peste. Sakay na, sakay, bro. Ha?
We are the champion, my friend. Yeah, this is the view from the outside in our house, guys. This one. Just now finished the heavy rain. Too much rain, yeah. Too much rain. See that? Maybe it will rain again, guys. It will rain again. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Sa pagdali
Hindi
oh.
magko ate, nabuha magkabayot mapugo.
Bayot ka. Turn the camera, babies. I am looking. Where you looking to? To my sister. This one is my sister, babies. Muhammad. It's Muhammad Ali. This one is my sister.
Oy, kumarbet. Ano pa? Ano bukod na rin mata?
Pretty little baby is ever standing, every fire is looking for everybody. Pretty little baby. Natural air condition, nice place. Yeah, too much nice. Fresh air. We have too much trees. See that? We have too much trees. Yeah. And coconut. Dubai very hot, 130 degree. Yeah, because it's summer, right? You know, in the Middle East, summer is so very, very hot. I already experienced that, guys, in the Kuwait. You know, I work Kuwait in 2 years. It's so very problem. Too much problem.
Los.
Too much hot. Too much hot in Kuwait, in the Middle East. You know.
Ano tayo, what you call this die, ginoo ko die.
100.
Wala, sa kulit mo dito die.
Ah, isa ka libo.
Sige die, sabi ko yung sisyo sa dito, ay saka na mga
Iji ka siya kunong tili nagsukli.
hindi ka sa ito mo na die.
Kuliti ba?
Wala yung sisyo!
Masinsya lagi ng Mitch. Masinsya ng Mitch.
Bidya-bidya na siya, naingunom na.
Gaya, ga-XP po kagabidyo ko ni mo. Nga
Ignorant yung
front ka man eh.
ignorant.
Nag-live ko sa YouTube, guys. Kag-cheese, dahil na. Pasin ko, ang balik na po, kula po ka ba?
Jis, ang puno eh.
15.
Sihirin ko kasi ako. Sihirin ko kasi ako.
Arang apti kang budlat, ay, biliban ang budlat.
Ayaw kasutog ha? Sikhan, sige nang upawa ka.
I will buy toyo, guys. You know what's toyo? Toyo is black beans made from Josephine
Philippines.
store.
Libo. Oo, naman po ng sinilas.
I've got 10 pesos. Philippine money. Kaya. Ngumiti. Kasaba ba? Palit og toyo te. Gamay dako. Unsa jis man eh. Salamat. Too much lonely people in the world. This that I buy for for the vegetables. We must need this, guys. This one is give you a very delicious, tasteful. This one will make your vegetables yummy. Yeah. Now is the time I make you realize is everything. Hey, 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 hey. And everything just to walk away.
Daog ka? Pakis.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. That's my sister, guys. Yeah. She is 22 years old. Pila di ay. Pila di ay. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's my mistake. She's 21 years old, guys. Nara sa lamisa dyan.
Napok ah!
She is 21 years old. Aranoy, mag-usa ko na mo tomorrow chicken. Chicken banana. You know what, guys? We are a big family. We are 10, 5 brothers and 5 sisters, included me. That's why we are too much noisy. Yeah. Here. See that? That's my mother. See? My brother. My sister. This one. This one. We sleep there at the up. Yeah. We have a very tiny little stairs here. You go up, then you. That's where we sleep. She
Sir, tawag ka. Magsabot mo ko ano to na. Lalo siya. Ikaw naman siguro mong mga anak ni ang mga konti.
Ay, wala po.
I wanna say. Uli mo sila Gino, si Gina.
Magbuwag. Anak ni.
Napili mo.
Ano na hatag mo sa mga Marina? Gagi ba? Sinanay rin makaroon ni Ford. Sinanay rin rin. Pwede lang ko rumadin.
How can I love you? How can I?
Tayo sa naman ng gihatag na. Bakit sila yung mama ah? Eh,
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when that you just let your heart desire. I can open your eyes and sparkle feeling. My seat is made of wood. See?
ay kadap ko ang pakoko ka inisip ko kung ang siminto.
A whole new world, a new horizons to pursue. What's that? Habibi, come to Philippines. Ano sabi na? Ot din. Tocino. Is that Tocino? Group family. Yeah. Group family. We have a big family. We are 12 here in the house. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 unsay tawag anang pagumangkon? I don't know what's the I don't know what's in the English niece.
Cousin.
Niece, ha?
Nis, piso.
Asa man di ay?
Sa pa inglesan.
I have 9 nieces.
Those my niece.
Hello, hi bro. How are you? Muhammad.
Hoy, para na gini. Asa ba si Den?
Pasador ka na ning kamot.
Den, ali Den.
Yeah, my 2 brothers. My old 2 brothers. They have their own family, guys. And for my sisters, two of my sisters also have their own family. Yeah. The one is separated, and the another one is, you know. Give me, give me. Give me.
Give me my money.
Almost night here, guys. I know in the Dubai is it's already 5 hours late. 5 hours late, right? Here is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So in the Dubai is 1 p.m. or 12. 1 p.m. I think. 1 p.m. in Dubai. But I think same time in Kuwait. Here in the Philippines is 5 hours advance. Yeah. They're too much noisy here. They're too much noisy. So they have little kids, little children, and brothers, sisters. Hello, guys. See who's there.
I give every day. Guy, kung saan?
This one is single. This one, no, not available. But this lady still, I think it's not allowed. I think it's not allowed for YouTube, right?
Di ko masiro ka lang ato, ko.
Meow, 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 meow. Hala.
Sige.
YouTube. Nag-live ko.
So good.
Nag-live ko sa YouTube. This my sister asked me if what app I make live, guys. She thought that I live in the Hope. Ay, pinagkairo nga pakaan. No, bad. Hoy, bad, oy! Lablab, inalablab. Inalablab. Hoy, ayaw na, kay magkasabot ra ba ni mong papaingan na? Bisaya alay, nabulok. Inabulok. Ayun ang bubo. Sisters, generous and less strong, and ours never run around on and on. I want to know. Still the thing that all the studies never went when. We don't have much work, guys, because it's already night time. It's already night time, so you know okay. Yeah, just relax because it's already night time. But you know, in the morning, work. Kaming mga kabataan karon. I can't talk properly, guys, because I have this one. You know this? Yeah. It's very paining. Oh, thank you, Muhammad. So are you really in Dubai, or you're from another country but now you're in Dubai because you have work? Are you really in Dubai, or I mean you really lived in Dubai?
Libas.
Just once. Can you figure out the feels like going wrong? Who? Who? Ang ganyan, kung pag-live daw, may sagot ka na. Make magic once for more than just one night. Can I have possible outside location? Just you walk, I see you, video Philippine. So you want me take video from outside? It's already nighttime, guys, but I will let you see the outside. Okay. So from our kitchen, this at the back of our kitchen, you can see this.
Ignorant. You, man.
Yeah, that one.
That one. That one.
And in the front, you can see this. Kamusta ang tubig dong?
Patay, bukag.
This, you will see this. Sorry for a messy. This one. Because we have heavy rain, so too much leaves fall down from the tree. My sister go up, so I check the cooking. This one. This one. Yeah. Let's try this. Impressive. 100%. Very yummy. So cover. Tay, ulian naming nanay. This, how simple is our house, guys. You can see this one. This one, if we have a cough, too much cough, we will drink this, the leaves from this tree. Yeah, and our cough will go. Oh! Huh? Oh, na bade putay naka wifi, bade putang karon naman pod. Yeah, thank you. Too much nice, especially from morning. You can see the sunrise. Yeah. It's in front of our house. You can see it's very good. But the problem is if they have heavy rain, guys, this one, we have very big problem in our kitchen. Finish. Duar! Wa sila na, Duan! Wa sila ka-message sa chat. Nga magpatabang sila kuan, arrange. O man di ay, chat pa sila. Really, you eat food very healthy. Yeah. Actually, we eat green leaves. Spinach, something like that. Green. We love green. This, we have our own vegetable. This one, eggplant. And we have another there. And in the back. In the back, we have also another eggplant. Eggplant is my favorite, guys. Especially we put egg. It's very yummy. That's very yummy. Why I put like this? How to take this? You know, it's my first time to... My work here, electrical engineering. Oh, good. Yeah, you work. You always take a good care because it is very, hard. So guys, I need to end my live because we are going to eat. Bye bye. I don't know how to. Bye bye. See you next time in my live, guys. Bye bye.